We must all know this, that God did not start any religion. God is not a waster of life, and religion have wasted many lives, and even up till now religion is still wasting life. Christ did not bring any religion. He condemned the religious of his days. It's because these people, by their evil vices, they ignore God, ignore God's commandment. They now crafted, propound their theories and their beliefs and their whole morality just to impose burden upon humanity. Each religion has their traditions. Every religious people, they are hypocrites. People go to church, go to their religious centers to acclaim that they worship God. They claim that they teach the doctrine of God. Jesus is saying they are teaching as doctrine the commandment of men. You know, some people in their religion, one of their prophets told them that if you kill somebody who does not believe what you believe, you are serving God. That's the commandment of men. God didn't say that. God is too big to harass any man to worship him. God is too great to cajole or to coerce any human being to worship him. It is in religion that they teach the commandment of men. It is in religion you hear force. They impose whether you like it or not. This is what you must do. And they want to impose their law to even rule the nation. It is wickedness, the trouble of religion.